Whenever you're creating an online course or online training that you want people to buy, don't always limit yourself by creating content that you think only people from your country will buy. It will affect your revenue because when people in your country buy in your local currency, you are not actually making good money. In some valuable courses, you might want to sell it up to $50 or $100, but finding people in your country that can be able to pay you such an amount just to buy an information will be so hard. I am from Nigeria, and if you want to sell a course of $100 in Nigeria, you're talking about selling a course of 70 something thousand naira. That should be a valuable course, a valuable training that can be able to give them back the money that they spent in buying your online training. If the information you're giving is not going to give them money that can be able to cover that same amount of money that they spent in buying your online training, is a no-no. It will be hard for you to get many people that will buy such online course. So whenever you're creating an online course, diversify your knowledge. Make sure you create something that you think somebody from Europe can buy, somebody in America can buy, somebody in Asia can buy, somebody in New Zealand, Australia can buy. When you're doing your online marketing, when you're doing your advert, make sure you add those countries so that other people from those countries will be interested in such information. Because if you put an amount of $50 or $100 and expect somebody here in my country to pay you that kind of amount, make sure you can be able to make sales, but make sure the information you're giving in that online training will benefit them instantly or be able to give them information that actually worth it. So in this video, I'm going to show you what you have to do in Paystack. Paystack is an online payment platform that enables you to accept payment locally and internationally. But most people in Africa, Paystack is in Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa. But most people in Nigeria use Paystack just to sell within Nigeria. And you see them putting 5,000, 7,000, 3,005 online training. Yes, that's online training of 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. But if you want to sell something that will give you big money, you must have to give information that is actually valuable, that people can bring out $50 or $100 to buy. Now, let me quickly show you guys how you can activate international payment on your Paystack account and be able to receive money from US, UK, Australia, Canada, any part of Europe, anywhere, even Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Cameroon, Tanzania, name it. So let's jump right into our system and go to Paystack. This is my Paystack. I've already logged in, and go to setting. Once you go to setting, on the left down side of this window, now we're in profile. Go to preference, click on preference. Once you click on preference, you can see, guys, you can see default currency here is NGN, which is Nigeria. Accept payment via bank transfer, card, QR, that is barcode, USSD, Apple Pay. You can also accept payment through Apple Pay. Bank transfer, pay attitude is not activated. You can decide to check it and include it. American Express, if you are selling something in America, but transaction fee is 4.5% on cards. So you can decide to include American Express. So you have to agree. Once you click, you will be charged an uncapped transaction fee of 4.5 for every successful American Express card payment. I'm going to cancel. Okay. Transaction receipt sent to me, sent to customer, international payment, accept international payment. This is the main place I want to show you guys. So if you don't check this, you cannot be able to accept international payment. Foreign card might not work when they put foreign card on your payment window. If they put their card information on your payment window and try to pay with their card, somebody that is living in Europe, America, or Asia, if you don't check this accept international payment, the card might not go. The transaction might not be successful. So make sure you check this point so that you can be able to accept international payments. So guys, this is all I have for you in this video. You guys can also check it out. Okay, there are so many other options here. Daily issue reports, webhook event for expiring card, completed subscription alert sent to me, cancel subscription alert sent to me, expiring card alert sent to me, sent to customer. Okay, payout schedule, receive notification via email. You can still put SMS. So if you put SMS, you have to put a phone number that belongs to you, that you have, that can receive SMS. So that's all in this video. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asugha Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and some other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you update on new apps and games in the virtual reality space.
Think strong, be strong. You got this.
So if you wouldn't want to miss my content, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and the notification button is turned on so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed. Don't forget to follow the steps I showed you in this video while creating content that you want to sell online. Don't always focus on only your country. Diversify your information, diversify your knowledge. Make sure you create something that you think people beyond your country can be able to buy so that you will make more money and make money in dollars. That is just the advantage of creating content that you can be able to sell abroad. You don't make money in naira, you make money in dollars. That is one advantage of creating content that foreigners can buy. So when you earn in dollars or euro, the value of the money becomes huge to you. If you bill a common Nigeria $50 or $100, it's very hard for that person to buy that information unless the information is solid. But a foreigner can easily pay you $50 or $100 in a just mere information that he or she likes. Guys, see you in my next video.